You're here because you've heard a buzz about AI calling and you're trying to figure out if it actually works. So let me give you the real numbers. According to recent research from McKinsey, businesses that have moved to AI calling workflows increase conversion rates 2 to 3 times and shorten customer service call times by 25%. So what is AI calling exactly? AI calling means using artificial intelligence to handle, assist, or improve conversations over the phone, whether that's an AI agent talking directly to a customer or an AI working alongside the agents. Two very different use cases, but the same underlying shift. Phone call stops being a purely human operation. So let's start with the side of AI calling where you don't even need a human on both ends of the line. Think about how much time your team spends on appointment reminders, lead qualifications, meeting scheduling, follow-ups, or answering same 5 questions every single day. These calls matter, but they don't require your top closers spending hours on repetitive tasks. AI voice agents can now handle these workflows automatically. CloudTalk's AI voice agent, for example, holds natural conversations in more than 60 languages and accents. It handles objections, answers basic questions, and knows when a lead is genuinely interested and when it's time to stop pushing. When a conversation reaches a point that needs a human, it transfers the call with full context. No more agents asking your date of birth for the 4th time. But here's where things get even more interesting. Even when a human rep is on the call, the AI doesn't disappear. It's listening in real time, surfacing relevant information, analyzing the customer sentiment, and taking notes automatically. So when the call ends, CRM is already updated, the transcript is finished, the summary is written, the action items are logged, and the call is scored based on your team's criteria. And this is the part most companies underestimate. AI calling is not about replacing sales or support teams. It's about removing the repetitive, low-value tasks that slow humans down so your team can spend more time doing the work that actually drives revenue, like building trust or solving problems and closing deals. This is exactly the idea behind CloudTalk's AI calling features. We've designed it to be the intelligence layer for your entire communication setup. It's one platform where your AI voice agents and your human team live in the same place, sharing the same insights. CircleGym, a studio based in Spain, saw this firsthand. They brought in an AI voice agent to turn late-night leads into next-day bookings without needing human coverage after hours. After that, trial bookings jumped 150%. Now, if you're still not quite sure about what AI calling is or how AI voice agents work, you should check it in practice into your own workflow. If you want to give it a go, I've put a link down below. You can start a free trial or set up a demo with the CloudTalk team to see these tools in action for yourself. If this video helps you understand the current state of AI calling, hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the 2026 tech stack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.